I'm Niharika and this is Attract Series 3. In this video, I'm going to talk about something that is really close to my heart. I'm going to talk about signs and synchronicities from the universe. Yes, that's really close to my heart because I keep witnessing signs, I keep witnessing synchronicities and serendipities around my life. So that's why this is very close to my heart. But before I talk about it and explain you how you can actually create signs and synchronicities, how you can make the universe work with you by giving you or guiding you towards magnificence through its signs and synchronicities, I'll ask you a question. The question is, does the universe actually gives us signs? Or maybe a better question would be, do you actually believe in signs? If I were me of the past, I would have said, no, the universe can't give us signs. Are you out of your mind? Is this some kind of fairy tale or something? It's too magical to believe, right? It was too magical for me to believe it. But today, if you ask me, does the universe gives you signs, Niharika? I would say, yes. Yes, it guides me all the time. It guides me all the time through its signs, through synchronicities, through planning serendipities. It guides me all the time towards magnificence. So what changed? What changed me from a skeptical girl to a girl who actually creates a lot of synchronicities around her and gets guided by the universe through signs is my being in the receptive mode. That is the thing that changed for me. Today I attract signs and guidance from the universe because I am always in receptive mode. But before I tried and practiced for years about how to achieve this mode, I first opened myself to the magnificence of the universe. I first started believing that actually the universe is magnificent and too magical to be just doing coincidence and accidents. The universe is too magical. And what actually changed my entire perspective around this in signs and synchronicities was a series of events that started happening with me when I started practicing law of attraction. When I started practicing law of attraction, I had a better control of my the thought process. I used to always nourish positive thoughts. I used to start working on my belief systems, and I always used to try really hard to keep it always positive. I used to work on my feelings all the time. I always used to keep my feelings towards the positive. I used to work really hard to ensure that I am vibrating higher, that my frequency is here, or maybe here. So that actually helped me be in that receptive mode, in a receptive state, when I started realizing that universe is actually guiding me through signs. Okay, and I witnessed this series of events that kept on happening with me again and again and again, when the universe used to align me with people with the at the right place at the right time with the right intentions. People used to come to me for helping me. People used to be cooperative. People used to be very supportive, and I used to attract a lot of synchronicities around. I started attracting a lot of synchronicities around me. Okay, it was like universe throwing right people at the right place at the right time with the right intentions to help me reach further and further towards my goals and towards my dreams. So that actually strengthened, that actually affirmed my belief on universe giving me signs and synchronicities, and that made me realize it's because of my receptive mode that the universe is also now aligned with it. Okay, so once you also start working on your on your frequency, when you keep on working on your frequency again and again, keep your thoughts positive all the time. I know it's difficult, but practice will help you reach there. Practice will help you reach to that allowing mode, that receiving mode, that receptive mode. Keep on practicing just as I did, and you'll realize that you have reached that level of that mode of being in the reception and receiving mode, where the universe is also aligned with you and it's starting to help you to move towards your goals through signs and synchronicities. So being in the receptive mode actually is a sign for the universe that I am ready to receive what I want. And then the universe turns on its signals, and it starts sending you signs, and it starts planning synchronicities around you, and it starts sending you right ideas, right resources, right opportunities, right people, right situation, right circumstances, and right life. That's how you turn on the signs and synchronicities of the universe. But before that, I would emphasize again that first you'll have to believe in the signs. Okay, you'll have to believe in the fact that the universe is too magnificent and too magical, and it's going to help you and guide you. Okay, once you start practicing, you'll get better at it. And also there is your inner guidance, which will start helping you to interpret signs. Sometimes when we are able to get signs from the universe, but we are not able to interpret it, your intuition or your inner guidance will help you over there and will start helping you to interpret the signs from the universe, if it's actually the sign that you want, or it's just it's not the sign. Okay. Oh, speaking of inner guidance, in my next video I'm going to talk about how to strengthen your inner guidance, how to strengthen your intuition, so that not only you take inspired action, not only your intuition helps you in taking the inspired action, but also helps you in interpreting the signs from the universe. So stay tuned. That next video is also going to be really amazing. It's going to help you strengthen your intuition so that life becomes magical for you, just as the universe is. Thank you so much.